everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some vintage dining room decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Vintage dining room decor is all about warmth, nostalgia and layered charm, like stepping into a softly lit memory. It blends aged textures, delicate details, and meaningful pictures that feel connected over time rather than much all at once. Let's explore some beautiful ideas you can actually use. Use vintage color palette. Start with gentle, faded tones, creamy whites, dusty rose, sage green, pale blue. Add floral or royal wallpaper for a romantic cottage feel. Avoid harsh contrasts. Vintage style loves softness and harmony. Tip: even a single accent wall with floral wallpaper can transform the entire space. Antique or distressed furniture. Furniture should feel lived in and stirred. Distressed wooden dining table, mismatched chairs, painted or upholstered. Carved legs, carved details, or chipped paint. Tip: don't worry about perfection. Slight wear adds authenticity. Elegant vintage lighting. Lighting sets the mood. Crystal candeliers for classic elegance. Brass or bronze fixtures for warmth. Soft, warm bulbs, never too bright. Tip: a candelier instantly becomes the centerpiece of your dining room. Table style with character. Dress your table like it's always ready for guests. Lace or embroidered tablecloths, floral china or mismatched plates. Glass jars, candles, and fresh or dried flowers. Tip: layered textures, linen plus lace plus ceramics for that cozy vintage look. Wall decor and personal touches. Walls should tell a story. Gallery wall with antique frames, botanical prints or old artwork. Vintage mirrors with gold or worn frames. Open shelves displaying teacups or plates. Mix frame styles and size. It adds depth and personality. Natural and handmade elements. Bring in softness and soul. Dried flowers or wildflower arrangements. Crochet table runners or handmade textiles. Oven baskets and linen curtains. Handmade items give your space emotional warmth, not just visual beauty. Layer fabrics like a story. Don't stop at one textile. Layer thin. Place a lace runner over a soft linen tablecloth. Add slip covers or cushions with faded floral prints. Let curtains fall loosely and naturally. The goal is softness tips on essence of a story, or clocks on books, or tarnished dress. Patina on metals like brass, copper, or silver. Slightly faded or chipped finishes. Avoid anything too shiny or burning. Imperfection is your design tool. I think these ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching the video.